Yemimar D was a boy living in a typical well-to-do family in an ordinary village. It was a holiday, and as usual he and his friends were gathered at the nearby ground to play. As they were playing football under a clear sky, a sudden bolt of lightning and a clap of thunder struck. For 5 seconds everything went dark. When Yemimar opened his eyes, his friends had all run away in fear. He ran towards his house. On the way, parked cars inexplicably started up on their own, and their sirens blared. But Yemimar didn't pay any attention. However, one thing did catch his notice. It usually took at least 5 minutes to get from the ground to his house, and he would be quite out of breath by the time he arrived. But this time, he was standing in front of his house without feeling tired at all. Still, he didn't think much of it then. Yemimar entered the house and went straight to his room. He closed the door and collapsed onto his bed, quickly falling asleep. Later that night, his mother came to wake him. Yemimar opened his eyes and was shocked. A blue light surrounded his body. He quickly got up and flicked the light switch. The blue light disappeared as the room filled with light. When he turned the light off, the blue glow reappeared. This sight astonished him. He realized that he had gained some extraordinary ability. He immediately went to his mother. "Mom, I'm not hungry." His mother got angry with him. "Did you run all the way back from playing just to come inside and sleep? You haven't eaten anything yet. At least eat this one meal. Your father works so hard to provide for us. Don't make a habit of wasting food every day." Following his mother's words, he ate his food like a good boy. The next 2 or 3 days passed as usual. When he went to school, his friends started teasing him. "What's wrong, man? Your mom said you got scared and fell sick after a lightning and thunder strike," a friend asked. "We thought you had turned to ashes," another one mocked. But their teasing and isolation didn't affect him in any way. While sitting in the classroom, his classmates were making a lot of noise. They were laughing and joking, making a racket. Just then, the class teacher walked in. "Everyone, be silent," the teacher said. In moments, the classroom fell into complete silence. That's when Yemimar noticed something. Not only could he hear the sounds inside the classroom, but he could also hear faint sounds from miles away. The passing of cars, people whispering, and other distant noises pierced his young ears. One day, there was a fight between a group of senior students and a gang from outside. The outsiders trespassed into the school and clashed with the senior team. Many of the senior students ran away in fear, and some were beaten and fell to the ground. Seeing this, Yemimar ran towards them. A senior student who was lying on the ground, beaten, tried to stop him. "Hey, don't go there. Even we couldn't do anything to them. They'll toss you into the air like a football," he said. But Yemimar didn't seem to hear him. Once when they were playing on the ground, the ball had fallen into a nearby pond. The rule was that whoever kicked the ball out of the field had to retrieve it. That day it was Yemimar who had kicked the ball, and he was too afraid to jump into the pond. It